Hello everyone, it's Nady, and today we'll be unboxing this month's BoxyCharm. As you beautiful people know, this is about the products and not the people behind them. Any tiff you may have with them, please cast it away because this is a channel of positive energy. Okay? Thank you. So, how's everybody doing? I hope you're having a marvelous day. It is kind of looking a little bit scary outside, kind of like it's gonna storm. I don't know about you, but I love the shit out of storms. I live on the top floor, so I hear all the little rain clattering like a bunch of little cum drops. Can I say that? I did. Anyways, I wanted to start off by apologizing for not doing one of these for the past, 2 months? If you followed my channel for the last few months, you'll notice that in pretty much every video, I complain about how fucking warm it is. That's because my air conditioning's been out. I do have a fan on me right now. I'm so sorry if you can hear it in my microphone, but because I live in a big-ass building, the air conditioning is out of my control to fix, and I've just been noticed that rather than fixing the fucking thing, they're gonna start giving people, portable air conditioning units, which to me sounds like they're just putting a piece of duct tape over an erupting volcano, but whatever. So my apologies. Normally when I do these videos, I do a full face of makeup. I haven't been able to put on any makeup lately because in this room it's been around 120 degrees. In my living room it's been in the mid-90s. And the one time last week that I did try to put makeup on, before I could even set it, it was already melting off my face. So we haven't been able to do any makeup. With today's, I'm not going to be able to do a look. I'm so sorry. I know that kind of makes this a little bit pointless, but at least I'm trying. I'm sorry. But still, we can unbox this. If there's an eyeshadow palette, we can do some swatches, maybe use some other products in here. I don't know. Oh my god, and with the heat, it's so fucking hard to think, just getting my line out. Whew, I probably shouldn't be shaking this. Anyways, a lot of people have been asking why I've not been doing unboxings, and that is why. Oh my god, it's difficult for me to... It's difficult for me to even talk. Whew. So anyways, let's just dive right into this with my usual spiel. So let's go. So for those of us who may be a little bit unfamiliar with BoxyCharm, this is a $21 a month beauty subscription service where each month you get over $100 worth of full-size luxury beauty items, and honey, these bitches do not fuck around. They give you some good shit. We've gotten things from Anastasia, Becca, Stila, Hank, and Henry. What else have we got? We've gotten things from Pure. I really don't think there's a top brand out there that we haven't gotten things from. If you're a beauty babe on a budget, this is a really good service to have because you can add some primo shit to your collection. Or even if you're just a makeup junkie or a makeup hoarder like me, this is perfect because you don't have to break the bank, and being a cheap ass hoe that I am, I love to save some money. And like always, anytime I get anything for free on this channel, I will always let you know, and BoxyCharm does provide the service to me at no charge to review for you, but does that mean I'm a sugarcoat a damn thing? Fuck no. If I like something in here, I'll tell you. If I hate it, I'll let you know. And if at any point throughout this video, or just life in general, you decide, hey, I kind of fucking love that box, and you yourself would like to become a BoxyCharmer, BoxyCharm was kind enough to provide me with a link down below for you to use, but please do not feel obligated to go through me. It's there if you want it. I'm just saying. Was that everything? I think I said everything. I don't know. It's been so fucking long. And I've got my trusty tweezers. Let's go ahead and dive right into this little bitch. Come on. Oh, fuck. No. Yeah. Oh. Like always, I have not looked up any spoilers, so I really don't know what we're getting in this box. I know it's a little bit late to go out, so probably everybody already has their box, but still, it's a surprise for me. Let's see. This month's theme is Getaway. I'm just gonna set this little sexy beast right there so I don't see any spoilers, and our first thing is something square. Is it a condom holder? Ooh, no, it's a highlighter. This is Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter. What makes it Jelly Highlighter? I do have a little bit of highlighter on, and because I'm sweaty, I've got natural highlighter on, but we can still try this. Alright, it looks like I got the shade Cotton Candy, and no, it does not smell like cotton candy, thankfully. That is very pretty, and it might be a little bit too light for me. I can't quite tell. So, let me go ahead and swatch this, and then once we're all done, I'll go ahead and apply this to my face. But here we go with, oh my god, that is really fucking smooth and buttery. It doesn't feel like jelly, oh wait, no, it does. Kind of, in that it's sticky. Not gonna lie, Daddy does love some stickiness in his life. Ooh, fucking hell, look at how pigmented that is. Shit. We'll just put this on my hand. Oh my god, look at how bad my fake tan is. Oh, that is embarrassing, but here we go anyways. Very, very pretty. It feels so silky, so smooth, almost like a cream, yet it looks like a powder on my hand. I don't know. That is really, really pretty. How are you supposed to apply this? It doesn't say, but because the first ingredients are a powder, I'm guessing I would just apply it with a brush, because I don't think this is liquid like a jelly. I think it's just so soft that it kind of feels like a jelly, but it's still powder. So that is very exciting. I love that color, and I'm pretty sure it's way too light for me, but still, I'm a highlighter hoe. Don't fucking care. I'll still use it. Next up in our little goodie box, I feel something something long? Is it a mini vibrator? One could hope. No, it's a Dominique Cosmetics product, which I was actually gifted a palette from them. I have not used them, but it was from my beautiful makeup godmother, Mama D. But I don't own any lip products from them. Ooh, that's really cute. It kind of looks like a turkey baster. Doesn't that look like a turkey baster? Like that shape? Pretty color though. Oh, it's a lip gloss. I don't love lip gloss, but oh my god. That smells like the most luxurious cupcake in the entire fucking world. Oh, and it tastes really good too, like it actually tastes like how it smells. Kind of like a cappuccino from Starbucks, but really watered down. I want another lick. Oh, I'm gonna snack on this later. I personally am not a big lip gloss fan, but I'm kind of getting into them. Like the Jeffree Star lip glosses and the Lunar Beauty lip glosses are two of my favorites. And I gotta say, I really do like this packaging. Like some lip glosses just feel cheap, but this actually feels kind of luxurious. Oh my god. Like you can tell the company goes the extra inch because this like locks when it closes, like that. Let me go ahead and just apply some right now because my lips are a tiny bit dry and hopefully this doesn't have too much color on it. Ew, what the fuck is happening there? It's got like a little bloopy coming out of it. Do you see that? I mean, it's not a big issue. It's just, I've never seen that before. It's excited to see me. Okay, let's just put it on my lips. It's a much thicker formula than what I'm used to, but it's not at all sticky. It's just like really thick oil, which is totally something that I'm down to fuck with. As long as the lip gloss isn't super sticky or really heavy, then I can get jiggy with it. And this does feel really comfortable. Usually what I'll do with lip glosses like this is before I go to bed, I'll put on a really thick balm and then put a layer of this on it so that it really locks it in. And then when I wake up, it's still there and my lips are hydrated and moisturized. They feel great. And normally I use the clear ColourPop plumping one for that, but I think I'm running out of it, so this might replace that. Either way, I do really like that, and I guess since I applied this, why don't we just go ahead and apply the highlighter? Like I said, I do already have some on from my upcoming collection, but we can top it off with this. So I'm gonna take this Jeffree Star Morphe brush. So let's swoop right in there, and wow, that is doing something interesting. It turns out it is a little bit more liquidy than I originally thought. In fact, it kind of looks like the fibers are getting wet, and when I look at this, it's leaving like streak marks, so I don't know, this is kind of interesting. Grab a mirror, and here we go. Ooh, wow, damn. It really is a bit too light for me, but I don't even mind. I do have a lot of fake tan on right now, so if I were my normal shade of skin, this would probably match me perfectly. So I really don't mind this. The only thing that concerns me is that because this is kind of like on the oilier side, seemingly, I'm not sure if this would take any makeup off that you have on under it. Other times when I've used jelly highlighters over foundation, it kind of swipes away the foundation. So I think if I were actually going to use this over foundation, I would probably apply it lightly with my finger. Tap, tap, tap that shit on. My gosh, y'all want to see something nasty? If you don't, skip like 20 seconds ahead. But I was cooking the other night, and for the first time in a long ass time, I put the whole pan in a really hot oven so things could cook even more. And when I took it out, I used a hot pad on the handle like usual. But then because I'm not used to the handle being hot, when I turned back around, I grabbed the handle and I burned my whole fucking hand. I don't know if you can see my fingers are like burnt, but holy shit, that hurt. And my ass didn't do it once, but twice in the matter of like 5 minutes. So now this hand is burned and this hand is burned, so needless to say, self-love is a little bit difficult lately. But it's okay, this scaly bitch will heal very quickly. Fan my face and let's continue. Our next item we have is a pencil of some sort. This is Dirty Little Secret Pale Pink. I don't know what the fuck it is. Is it a lip pencil, I'm assuming? Well, it doesn't say on here what it is, but I don't know what else it would be. Oh, fuck, the lid came off and it just dug right into my finger. This bitch is creamy. Although it could also be the fact that it's hotter than a desert camel's ass in here. But here we have it. Ooh, that's actually really nice. Is it the creamiest lip pencil I've ever seen? No, but it still is very nice. We have gotten a few other lip pencils in our boxes previous, and they haven't been the creamiest in the world. In fact, they've been kind of hard and waxy. But this is a nice change. Like, it feels very nice, goes on smoothly, so I am super excited to use that sometime. Just really confused why literally nowhere on here does it say that it's a lip pencil. Next up, we are digging in further and further. Yes, queen. We have something long. Oh, Oh, we have no problem. Oh my god. Okay, so I fucking love this primer. We got it a few months ago in a different kind of tube. I'm not sure what this is. I love the tits off of the primer, but I hate the name. This is No Problem. I've started to get used to saying it, but it's never gonna run off my tongue smoothly, unlike other liquids. Oh, okay, but what is this? No Problem Prime Essence with Calendula officinus with calendula flower extract. And this sounds like water. I'm not sure if it's just way too warm in here to use this. Oh shit, speak of the fucking devil, here's the other product that we got. This is like a staple in my life. I love this. But do you hear this? I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. Oh dear, it definitely looks like I'm doing something else, but this is what I'm doing. Okay, let me look at the directions here and see what this is. It is in some kind of Asian language. Korean, maybe? Okay, this tightens up the pores and keeps skin silky and smooth for better and long-lasting makeup. At the last step of skincare, apply a moderate amount and gently put over the skin until it's fully absorbed. Okay, so this is not a primer. Despite its name where it says Prime Essence, it's a facial product. Like a skincare product, I think. Ooh, that smells great. Yes, what is that? At first, it kind of smelled like cotton candy, but no, it's not me. It smells sweet, kind of like roses. It's probably the calendula flower, I don't know. Let's put a few little drops on our skin. Ooh, nice and, oh my god. I don't know if you saw that or not, but my fan is blowing and this is so like thin that it just blew all over my arm. Okay. Ooh. That goes in very nicely, and by goes in, I mean it sinks into the fucking skin. English, damn. And it smells really good too. Oh, I'm excited to use this. Although this does have some interesting ingredients, I don't really see a lot of moisturizers. What I'm seeing is dimethicone, and then way down at the fucking bottom, there's oils and stuff that your skin actually needs. So basically, because this is pretty much a silicone-based product, all it's gonna do to your skin is just give it that soft feel, but it's not necessarily gonna nourish it as much as you're wanting, or at least as much as it feels like it's going to, so that kind of bums me out. Maybe I will end up using it as an actual primer because that's pretty much what it is. I don't know, either way, I'm still thankful that I got it. I'll give it a try. And last up, I think we have one more item here, which is a Tarte palette. Ooh, that's really pretty. Ooh, I think this is like my third or fourth palette like this that I've gotten from Tarte. And, well, actually, this palette looks really familiar. Hold on. This was the first Tarte palette that I got from them, which was Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2, which is this one. This doesn't say. Oh wait, it's just high performance neutrals. Okay, well let me see how different it is from the first one that I got. Oh yeah, this is definitely way different. Yeah, okay, so here's my original one. Here's the next one. They are kind of similar. Ooh, this smells like chocolate. Does this? Ooh, that does too. Does not taste like chocolate though. Okay, so anyways, let's go ahead and do a few swatches with these, and I think I'm gonna use this as a primer. And I'm not sure which hand has a less atrocious application of my fake tan. I think this one maybe. God, look at that. Jeez. It's a good thing I don't get embarrassed easily, otherwise I would not even fucking leave the house. Okay, so I just put some of that right there, and here we go. Rub that in. Oh. Yes. It does feel really nice, and like it leaves my skin feeling nice and soft, but I know it's just that dimethicone. It's pretty much the same feeling that you get with that clear Smashbox primer or Monostat, because basically they're the same thing. Any fucking who, let's go ahead and start right here and just swatch. Oops, maybe I should go in order. Okay, let's start with this one and then do that and that. And they go on the finger very, very nicely. A lot of these Tarte palettes I do love, but I've noticed that you kind of have to really dig into them to get good pigment. Put that there. Ooh, very nice. There we go. Also very nice. Very, very pretty. Ooh, that one didn't do much. In fact, it kind of just like stuck onto my finger and stained it. Oh wait, we're missing one. There's that one. Okay. I like this so far. It's super pretty, and even though I'm not that big into neutrals and nudes because I have so many fucking palettes that probably have these same colors in them, this is something that I would use because I can just throw this in my bag. Like if I'm ever going somewhere and think I might have to do somebody's makeup, this would be perfect because it's pretty universal. At least I think it is. Let me wipe these off on my orange leg, and let's dip into the last ones. Wow, those are very impressive. Where am I gonna put these? Okay, let's put that there. Ooh, normally light shades like that don't have that much pigmentation, but that's pretty good. Put that there. Again, very good. I thought that was gonna be a matte, but I guess it's a shimmer. Let's put that one there and that one there. Ooh, I'm very happy with this little palette. I know swatches really ain't shit, but still, just from swatching, they look good. In fact, I think I like this a lot more than I like that Rainforest to the C2 one. These shadows seem like a little bit more loosely pressed, so you don't have to dig your finger or your brush in it. Like, for example, here, I'll take this color right here. Like, I have to really dig in to get that. And I mean, it does have good pigmentation to it, but when you're using a brush, like, so yes, there we have those. I suppose I could use this lip liner, although I've got lip gloss on. Let me just take that off. Maybe we can put the lip gloss over this. All right, here we go. I guess I'll just like cover my whole lips with this maybe. Normally I don't do that with lip pencils, but this feels so creamy that it would be comfortable on the lips. And I don't know that you're really gonna be able to see it because it does almost match my exact lip color, but I can see it and it's going on nicely. The only thing that I don't love about this is that it is made out of wood and you can feel the wood on your lips. So I kind of wish this was in like one of those twisty plastic things. That would make this even better. There we have it. Can you even see it on the lips? Probably not, I'm sorry. But it's there and it does feel really comfortable. So let me go back over that with some lip gloss. Ooh. There we go. And I do really appreciate the fact that they did include a lip pencil with this lip gloss, because if you have any sort of fine lines around your mouth, oftentimes lip glosses will kind of seep into there and it'll just look ridiculous. And so the lip liner just kind of helps lock it into place. So I appreciate the fact that BoxyCharm is trying to cater to maybe a more mature skinned audience. So good job, BoxyCharm. Anyways, now that everything has been unveiled, let's go ahead and look at our little sheet, shall we? So the Tarte Palette, what did I do with it already? I don't know, I've already lost it, but we have the box. This says, packed with 4 shimmer shades and 4 mattes, your new Tarte BU Naturally palette is everything you need to create endless natural looks. From the frosty cool pinks to the rich bronze and brown tones, this palette will flatter all skin tones while blending smoothly thanks to its Amazonian clay formula. And this retails for $36. Wow, that's a lot of money, but it did seem pretty good quality, so I guess it's worth it. Plus it's Tarte, so I mean brand name. Then we have the In Touch Soul No Problem Prime Essence. Let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch In Soul No Problem Prime Essence. Oh my god, that's a fucking mouthful and not even the kind that I like. Infused with calendula flower extract, this primer tightens your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. So it is a primer. I'm very confused because this says it's like a moisturizer. Although this does say it keeps the skin silky and smooth for better and long-lasting makeup. But then the next sentence says this pertains to skincare. So this is just all over the place. I guess it's after you wash and moisturize, you apply this and use it as your primer. Okay, sorry, that's a little bit confusing, but it retails for $23. Next is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. This says add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with this lightweight, non-sticky, balm-like lemonade lip gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. Whew! The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick, and it retails for $17. Wow! It actually does feel very, very comfortable and lightweight on the lips, so I feel like that is a good price. Then we have the Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter. I'm guessing that's how you say it. I'm just saying it like Yves Saint Laurent. But this jelly highlighter formula is bouncy, lightweight, blendable, water-resistant, and so fun to use. Watch it glide on with ease using your favorite brush, or simply dab it on with your finger for an effortless glow. I'll rub this all over my titties later. Anyways, this retails for $26. That's not that bad for a highlighter, I feel like. Maybe? No? Yeah, that's okay. Then last up, we have our dirty little secret lip liner. I'm glad they say what the fuck it is. Although, what else would this color be? Anyways, this is smooth and creamy. This dirty little secret lip liner is here to help you create the perfect pout. It retails for $15. Honestly, I do think that's a little bit high. I was thinking maybe like $10 or $12. I mean, it's not that far off being $15, but I don't know that I would pay 15 bucks for this. I feel like for $15, you could get a few good drugstore liners and like a few Gerard Cosmetics liners. So I think if I had to be disappointed in something, which I'm really not, it would have to be this, and just because of the price. But then again, we only paid like $21 for all of this, so I really can't be that disappointed. And if we were to add up the retail prices of everything that we got in today's box, it would be 117 bucks, so $21 for $117 worth of product. Not too shabby, bitches, not too shabby. Again, my deepest apologies for not trying these on. Once I do try them on, I will definitely let you know. It'll probably be in other tutorials mixed in here and there. Please let me know down below in the comments if you got this month's box, what you thought of it, if you got a different variation. I love seeing y'all have a positive conversation down there. And like I said before, if you yourself would like to become a BoxyCharmer, please feel free to use my link down below, but don't feel obligated to go through me. my god, I almost wiped this on my shirt, the only fucking white shirt I own. Anyways, thank you all for being here today. I'm sending you all so much love and positivity and happiness, and if you see somebody who needs a hug, for fuck's sake, give them one. Oh my god, I'm gonna get naked now and stand in front of my freezer. Like always, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget my newest collection of highlighters, including Black Ice, which does change from black to white, is available at thepoplex.com. Also, my latest album, Kiss of Fame, is available everywhere online that music is sold. Thank you so much to everyone who's supporting them. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at officialnady, and you can follow me online at thepoplex.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Bye!